Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrice and today we have a package to unbox. Okay y'all, so we have the box open and talk about good branding. This is from TeckWrapCraft vinyl. A link will be listed in the description below. And this is the box of goodies that TeckWrapCraft sent me so that I can check out their products and test something out. So today we will be finishing this unboxing with a project. All right, so first thing they sent is a strong tack mat. And this looks like it's the same size as my other mats that I use in my Cricut Maker. They also sent, this looks like a pouch of maybe some weeding tools. Let's open it up and see. And y'all, I already love this pouch. Absolutely love this pouch. All right, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have a scraper, right, or squeegee. We also have tweezers, and this looks like a refill for maybe our weeding pin, because it looks like there's a weeding pin, but definitely a refill. Yep, that's for the weeding pin. And then we have a weeding pin, and y'all, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Look at that. And it does have their logo on it, TeckWrapCraft. But y'all, this is so pretty. Y'all know I like sparkly things, so already I'm pleased. So let's look at some of the vinyl that they sent me. They sent me a lot of vinyl, and we are going to be trying this out. So the first vinyl that I see here is this, and it looks holographic. And this is a holographic matte silver vinyl. Then they also sent me a cold clear to green, so this goes from clear to green. So this is one of the color changing vinyls. This is a holographic dark gray. So this is a cold clear to red, so this will turn red when it's activated by cold liquid. And this looks like another holographic. Well, this is just peacock blue. And this is a very, very pretty blue. Looks very much so peacockish. Y'all know makeup words. All right, so next we have a holographic rose gold, and I can't wait to use this. I absolutely love the rose gold color. That's really pretty. And next we have a cold pink purple. So this is another color changing vinyl. So it goes from pink to purple. And I think I'm going to use this vinyl with a color changing tumbler. I think that's what we're going to do. Or one of the color changing, but maybe that pink. That pink is nice. And this is peach, yellow, pink. So it looks holographic-ish. So as you guys can see, I can see all of the different colors in this vinyl. It's very pretty. That yellow is nice. Okay, and the last vinyl that they sent to us is an opal white. Now I've used opal, I've used this color before. I absolutely love this color. This is one of my favorite colors to use. We're not going to use it today because y'all, I overuse this sometimes, but I absolutely love this opal white holographic vinyl. It is one of my favorites. It's so pretty. All right, y'all, so that's everything from TeckWrap. We are going to get a project done. So let's get started. Let's see what we're going to do. So I decided to make some tumblers, but before we do that, I wanted to head over to TeckWrapCraft.com so that you all could see the different products that they have. They have several different vinyls and HTVs, and they also sell a few tumblers and mugs. So head over to their website. A link will be listed in the description below so that you can check them out and see everything that they offer. So I decided to test out majority of the vinyl that we have. I want to see how it looks and how it applies to the items. So we're going to start with a milk carton, an acrylic milk carton. We're also going to use some color changing vinyl on this color changing tumbler from Michaels, and we are going to customize this Libby glass that we got from Amazon. Okay, y'all, so there is a sticker on here that says to remove the protective film on top, but y'all, it was a mission getting this thin piece of film from on top of this vinyl, and I kept trying to get it off and lifting the actual vinyl, but there is a very, very thin film on top. All right, so I'm opening the rose gold, and what I found to help was the sticker that comes with it. So this one was a little bit easier for me to just pull that tab up and remove that film. So now that I'm done opening all of that vinyl and removing all of that film, it is now time for us to cut this vinyl. Today we are going to be using the Cricut Maker 3 to cut out all of these different vinyls, and I am pretty much just guessing what settings that I'm going to be cutting on. I did look on the website and I did not see setting instructions for these particular vinyls, so I am just using the Cricut Holographic vinyl setting and also just the regular permanent vinyl setting. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this cut. I found all of these SVG files for these tumbler wraps on creativefabrica.com. A link will be listed in the description below. But for now, I am just going to go ahead and continue cutting and weeding this vinyl. Okay, so now I'm going to get ready to layer some of the vinyl, and I am going to be using some parchment paper to get that done. And as you see, I'm just going to line up that paper on top of the other piece of vinyl so that we can make sure that it lines up correctly. And the beauty about this parchment paper is that you can see clearly through it. So I am just going to go ahead and line that up, and everything looks pretty good. So now I am just getting ready to continue doing the same steps with the other vinyls, as most of the vinyls, or actually all three of the projects, require some layering. Alright, so that was a 3-layer image and everything worked out wonderfully. That looks beautiful. Alright, y'all, so this vinyl, this is the cold clear to green and clear to red, and I had this on the permanent vinyl setting and with more pressure, and that still did not really cut fully through. Some areas it cut through, but I struggled a bit weeding this for both the green and the red. However, I was able to get it done, and I tried to use this parchment paper, but of course you can't really see the clear vinyl too good through it. So y'all, I struggled with layering these two, so I have to find a better way to do that. This is my first time working with this material, and y'all, I let that transfer tape touch down too many times, and it was not that difficult for that vinyl to stick to the transfer tape. Okay, so that's layered, and y'all, it is not layered correctly. It's kind of all over the place, but we are going to go ahead and go with it. All right, so here is the milk carton tumbler, and it is acrylic, and so I'm just turning the top just so I know exactly where to place the image on the tumbler. That's a good trick to apply the top so that you know exactly where to apply the vinyl, so that way when you do turn the top, your vinyl is lined correctly. Alright, so right here I am just scraping this down, especially scraping those edges, because this is one piece and so I want it to be tight around, and so I am pulling this tightly around to make sure that there are no air bubbles on or underneath the vinyl. Now it's time to apply the vinyl to that color changing tumbler from Michaels, and y'all, I love how this turned out. I love the color combination of this decal or this tumbler wrap. Alright, so I am just going to line this baby up and make sure that it is straight around, and I am going to take my time. I am not going to lay it all down on the tumbler. I'm going to scrape as I go, and once I apply one side of that vinyl wrap, I am going to take it off and then go ahead and lay the opposite side down to make sure that it wraps correctly. And y'all, it wrapped beautifully, and this looks amazing. I love this tumbler, y'all. Absolutely love it. Alright, so those colors are good. I'm just making sure everything is pressed down nicely onto these tumblers. And remember, you don't really want to wash vinyl tumblers right after. Let it cure. That adhesive needs to stick. And I kind of forgot to record me wrapping the glass tumbler, but y'all, it came out beautifully. So we're all done with testing out this vinyl, and our cups actually look really cute, right? So this cup, it's not color changing, it's just all holographic vinyl that we used on it, and I think that it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and fill these two cups up with some cold beverage. Alright, y'all, so what do I think about this vinyl from TeckWrapCraft? Y'all, I actually love this vinyl. The colors are beautiful, and what I like about the vinyl is that it is not thick. It is very, very thin, and so even with me layering the different layers, y'all, it is not thick and it is not bulky, and I really like that. Now, the color changing vinyl, the clear color changing vinyl, was a bit difficult to weed, but I think if I changed my settings and found a better setting in Cricut, I would be able to cut that with no problem. But y'all, look how these tumblers turned out. Those colors look amazing. The colors that it changed to look amazing, and I absolutely love the outcome of these tumblers with this vinyl from TeckWrapCraft. So definitely check out the link in the description if you are interested in getting any of this vinyl, or just seeing what they have to offer, what other materials they have. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and join me there as well. In addition, don't forget about my vlogging channel, Patrice L. I would love to see you there with me too. Maybe that might encourage me to post a little bit more over there. But that's going to be it for today, y'all. Thank you all so very much for watching. Until next time.